Bonjour. Welcome to another simple French conversation for beginners. In this video, you'll hear a natural exchange between two people talking about their hobbies. Stay until the end, where we'll review useful words and phrases from the dialogue with real examples. Let's begin.
Bonjour, il fait vraiment beau aujourd'hui?
Hello, it's really nice out today.
Oui, c'est parfait pour une balade dans le parc. Yes, it's perfect for a walk in the park.
Vous venez souvent ici?
Do you come here often?
Pas très souvent, juste quand j'ai besoin de me détendre. Not very often, just when I need to relax.
Je comprends. Moi, je viens presque tous les week-ends. I understand. I come almost every weekend.
Vous aimez passer du temps dehors? Do you like spending time outside?
Oui, j'adore ça. Je fais souvent du jogging ou je lis sur un banc. Yes, I love it. I often go jogging or read on a bench.
Ah, vous lisez quoi en ce moment? Ah, what are you reading right now?
Un roman policier. J'aime les histoires avec du suspense. A detective novel. I like stories with suspense.
Moi aussi, j'aime bien les thrillers. Et les documentaires aussi. Me too. I like thrillers. And documentaries too.
Vous regardez beaucoup de films? Do you watch a lot of movies?
Oui, surtout le week-end. C'est un de mes passe-temps favoris. Yes, especially on weekends. It's one of my favorite hobbies.
Vous avez d'autres passe-temps? Do you have other hobbies?
Oui, je joue de la guitare et je fais un peu de photographie. Yes, I play guitar and I do a bit of photography.
C'est super! Vous prenez des photos de quoi? That's great. What do you take pictures of?
Surtout la nature et les animaux. Le parc est parfait pour ça. Mostly nature and animals. The park is perfect for that.
Oui, c'est vrai. Il y a toujours quelque chose à observer. Yes, that's true. There's always something to observe.
Et vous, à part la lecture? And you, besides reading?
Je fais aussi de la peinture et un peu de yoga. I also paint and do a bit of yoga.
Très zen comme activité. Very zen activities.
Exactement. Ça m'aide à me sentir bien. Exactly. It helps me feel good.
C'était sympa de discuter avec vous. Bonne continuation. It was nice talking to you. All the best. Well done. You just followed a practical conversation in French. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the useful words and phrases you heard, complete with examples from the dialogue. Ready? Let's go. Nouns.
Parc.
Park.
Weekend.
Weekend.
Roman.
Novel.
Passe-temps.
Hobby.
Photographie.
Photography.
Nature.
nature,
Animaux.
animals,
Lecture.
reading,
Peinture.
painting. Verbs,
Se détendre.
to relax,
Passer.
to spend,
Faire.
to do/make,
Lire.
to read,
Jouer.
to play,
Regarder.
to watch,
Prendre.
to take. Adjectives,
Favori.
favorite. Prepositions,
Dans.
in,
Sur.
on,
À part.
besides,
De.
of. Great job! You've just learned how to talk about hobbies in French, discussing free time activities like music, books, photography, and more. Don't forget to review the vocabulary and replay the dialogue to build your confidence and fluency. We post new videos regularly, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. À bientôt!